This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reducing competing sounds and processes. Close apps that use the microphone or speakers so CPU and audio routing stay clean. Once done, enable focus or do not disturb to block alerts that create sudden noises. Make sure Bluetooth is off if you want the iPhone mic rather than a paired device. If using wired headphones, plug them in firmly. These steps lower system noise and prevent interruptions, which directly improves call clarity and microphone priority on your device. You now focus on the mic and app controls. Open the calling app and confirm the audio device, switch to iPhone mic when not using headsets, or choose the headset if it has noise isolation. Next, test the phone setting called phone noise cancellation. Sometimes it muffles nearby voices, so try toggling it and compare. Also record a 10-second voice memo and listen back to judge ambient hiss versus your voice. These checks show how the iPhone processes sound and help you pick the cleanest input. You finish by optimizing placement and hardware. Hold the phone or mic about 1 to 2 inches from your mouth and angle it slightly to avoid breath noise. Using a headset or AirPods with active noise cancellation reduces background sound reaching the caller. If wind or room echo remains, add a pop filter or move to softer surfaces. If noise continues despite these steps, restart your iPhone, update iOS, and as a last resort reset network or settings. This clears persistent audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.